Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are brand new, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, become new. Smash the like button and notification. That lets me notify when I ever make an awesome video like this one. So today, it's such a big storm.
Like 13 rain or something?
And it's so big. It's literally flooding. It's so deep. And then look. Guys, this is such a rainy day.
You dropped my phone.
You mean my phone?
You did, you're playing right there, don't drop it.
Mom, this is my phone.
I know, I said, did you see it? And you're playing right there.
Oh, you mean Colin Shelby?
Guys, it's really deep.
Hello.
Can you come see this thing? I found it. Hold on, come here.
Guys. Here's my necklace.
I thought you said he wanted you to give him $5 for a cigarette.
Okay, so it looks like a fish could live in there.
Yeah.
An alligator.
Let's do that.
Kisses, oh really miss my mistress. 666, nothing on my mistress. Say kisses, really miss my mistress. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment, like it, and subscribe, and keep it going.